words, you know the grammar, but when you speak English, your voice sounds unsure. If this feels familiar, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to day 14 of my 30-day English speaking series. In this video, we will talk about why you don't sound confident in English and how to fix it. Most people think confidence comes from perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect accent, but that's not true. Confidence comes from how comfortably you speak, not how perfect you are. When we feel nervous, we speak fast. Fast speech is equals to shaky confidence. Slow down your pace. Let your words breathe. Even native speakers slow down when they want to sound confident. Many learners are scared of silence, so they fill gaps with instead of that, pause. A pause makes you sound thoughtful, not weak. Long sentences increase pressure, short sentences reduce fear. For example, instead of saying, I would like to say that maybe, just say, I think this. Simple, clear, confident. Don't wait to sound confident before speaking. Speak first, confidence follows. Every confident speaker you admire once sounded unsure too. You don't need to change your accent. You don't need advanced words. You just need practice plus patience. Confidence is built, not born. This was day 14 of my 30-day English speaking series. If this helped you, comment. I will speak. See you tomorrow in day 15. Keep going, you are improving. Thank you for watching.